Hello everyone. Today we are going to talk on Microsoft Copilot and ChatGPT. We all have used this tool, but today in this video I am going to tell you how this Microsoft Copilot and ChatGPT, both this AI tool, can help in enhancing sales, productivity and client pages. So let's get started. So firstly we'll understand what is ChatGPT. This is 2026 and everyone is using ChatGPT. There are very few people who might not be using this tool, but this ChatGPT is everyone using and everyone knows how to use ChatGPT and how it can help us to how we can use this ChatGPT to solve our problems in day-to-day life. But we will be talking about Microsoft Copilot. So what is basically Microsoft Copilot? I might be sure like most of the people, they are also using Microsoft Copilot in their office to do their day-to-day work. But there are some people who don't know Microsoft Copilot, and there are several organizations like Accenture, like they have now made compulsory for every employer to learn Microsoft Copilot. This is not something new. Everyone in today's world have to use this AI tool to get their work done. We'll talk about what is Microsoft Copilot, like how ChatGPT is like from OpenAI. Like similarly, Copilot is also from Microsoft. Copilot is available in your Outlook, Word, Excel and Teams to help you work where you already are. The work of this Copilot is similar to of ChatGPT. Like there is not much difference between ChatGPT and Copilot. So the difference only is here is that Copilot is available in the Microsoft apps that you are already using in your work. The main difference that ChatGPT, you can go to specific website to ask and receive the information. In Copilot, it is integrated tool in your Microsoft work inside. You can daily work. Copilot is powerful and it is mostly used for daily office works and meetings. So we'll talk about the main topic for which I am making this video, like how Copilot will help in sales. Copilot helps sales people sell smarter and faster. How it sells: write sales email for you, follow up proposal and call emails. It will also summarize the customer data, what the clients like, past purchases and issues. It will also remind you to follow up with the client, suggest what to say based on previous successful deals. For example, you can write a polite follow-up email for the client who hasn't replied in 5 days. Copilot writes it in seconds. Copilot for productivity. Many of us are using Outlook, so this is where Copilot saves time and mental efforts. How it helps: summarize long emails or meetings into short points, create to-do list from meetings, draft documents, reports, notes, plans, finds important information from old emails or files. Here you can see example prompt: write a follow-up email after client meeting. Copilot for client pitches. Copilot is very useful for presentation and pitching idea. How it helps: create PowerPoint slides from a simple idea, improve slide content, clear professional wordings, help you practice speech taking points, adjust pitch based on audience, client, manager, investors. Example, you can create a 10-slide pitch for a new client. You just review and present. GPT supporting role: brainstorming, generating unique pitches idea or practicing sales conversation via role play. You can do this thing with the help of ChatGPT, writing engaging LinkedIn post or WhatsApp messages to catch client attention. So this is how you can use ChatGPT and Copilot to get your work done. Which tool to use when? If your daily office tasks are Word, Excel, you can use Microsoft Copilot. If you have to reply to clients and outreach, you can use Microsoft Copilot as well as ChatGPT. Basically, ChatGPT will be working same as Copilot. Meeting, recaps and action. For this, you can use Microsoft Copilot. Generating fresh ideas. For this, you have to use ChatGPT because ChatGPT will give you many ideas and it will suggest you some new idea that will be helping you practicing sales techniques. So this you can do with the help of ChatGPT. Why businesses prefer Copilot? Like it is 30 to 50% faster. It saves your massive time. It is safe for sensitive company data and client info. Consistency in high quality professionals document. Without Copilot, it will take lots of time like writing email, making slides, analyzing data, hours of manual labor. So instead of that, you can use Copilot or you can make use of ChatGPT and save your time. With Copilot, you can ask AI, review, send minutes of supervisions. Final summary. Copilot helps sales and business teams work faster by writing emails, summarizing information, and creating client presentation automatically. So use this AI tool whether you are using Copilot or ChatGPT, that doesn't matter. The main focus is you get your work done in minutes. So this will not matter if you are using ChatGPT or Copilot. The only focus we want is getting our work done. So you can use any of this tool and get your work done. Copilots help you sell better, work faster, and look more professional without technical knowledge.